That's fine. All right. And from here we can look at any type of music or sound effect we want. What's going to be most relevant to us here? Let's go free sound effects. Airplanes, helicopters, scary. I'm going to choose scary just because there might be some screams there. Okay. Any spot on these? Where? Okay. Let's have this. I'm going to choose falling actually. It might fall off the roller coaster. That's somebody going down the roller coaster, isn't it? So as soon as I click on that, we've got the instruction there. Download this sound effect, right click, and choose Save Target As. So it's that same Save Target As that we had before. Okay. And by default, this folder has come up. If it isn't this folder, don't worry. Just either save it on the desktop, My Documents, wherever's convenient. Click Save. Done. Okay. Is that all right? Yeah. Okay.